Hi friends, this is Samy from Absolutely Creative. Today I'm going to show you how to bake a cake. Let's begin with the basic ingredients we need. I'm going to use a rice cup to measure how much quantity of the ingredients we need. We will be needing 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour and we need 1.5 cup of brown sugar and 4 eggs, 1 cup of butter, 1 tablespoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And optionally you can use a fruit or you can't. But I'm using a fruit, which is an apple. Friends, I wanted to make an important note. When you need, you can use adults' help to help you, especially when you're breaking the eggs, and most of all when you're using the oven and cutting the fruits, because safety comes first. Make sure all of the ingredients are at room temperature, not too hot, not too cold. I'm gonna break the egg and put it in here. Now I have all my 4 eggs ready. I'm gonna beat them with the beater. Now that I've beaten my eggs very well, I'm gonna keep this aside, take another bowl and put the 1 cup of butter in the bowl. So I take the bowl carefully, pour the whole thing in it. Make sure every drop is there. Shake it, put it aside. Take all of the brown sugar and put them in here carefully. And put these aside. As you can see, the sugar melted very fine in the butter. Now we can put this aside. Take the all-purpose flour and the baking soda and baking powder. Take 1 tablespoon of the baking into the all-purpose flour. And now take 1 itsy-bitsy teaspoon of the baking soda and mix it here. Now we're gonna mix them together. As we made our eggs beaten ready in the first place and we have our mixture, we have to mix the beaten eggs into the mixture little by little. Be adding little by little spoons of the powder into the mixture and mix them very well. Now I have my apples peeled and chopped. I have to mix them into my mixture. As you can see, it's very well mixed. Now my mixture is beaten very well. I'm gonna have to put it in a pan which will get the shape of the cake. And first I need to apply the butter onto the pan so then it will be easy for it to move around. So you take 1 finger or a spoon if you want, dip it into the butter and start applying around the pan, and after And you have to do it on all sides and corners. Now my pan is greased all over perfectly. Now I have to take the batter and pour it gently and slowly into the pan. My mixture is ready to go into the oven. By the way, my oven is already preheated to 350 Fahrenheit. So now let's put it in the oven. Let the cake batter bake for 30 to 40 minutes and let's see the heart-shaped cake. Here's my cake baked and ready. I have the frosting. Let's start frosting. Frosting on my cake. If you put another layer of the frosting, it will look nice, but my family doesn't like frosting, so I won't put any more. I have some strawberries which are washed. Now what we need to do is we have to cut them in half. So take your knife, ask a grown-up to do it, and cut them and put it aside, and do it for the rest of the strawberries. Now it's time to decorate with fruits. Now we're gonna take a strawberry, put it onto the top, and put one onto the bottom. Now align them all the way around the first border of the heart. Now it's time to add grapes. Now I'm going to pour the pomegranate seeds in the whole middle. Hope you all like my video. Please press the like button if you like my video. And don't forget to subscribe our channel, Absolutely Creative. See you all back with more creative videos. Thank you for now and bye for now.